episode of At Home with Mr Hutton. Last time I saw you, a week ago now, I've been very busy this week, more busy than normal, so I've not had a chance to do as many videos. But I left you with the conundrum of how to get the apple up the skewer just using an apple. Sorry, not an apple, a hammer. Right. So well done to Joel Sawyer. Okay, I sent this challenge to him and he managed to get it, and he sent me a video. We might show you that in a moment if he allows me. And I'll show you now the way that we get this apple up the skewer. Okay. There we go. We've got the apple from the bottom of the skewer all the way to the top. Okay, right, today's challenge, what we're going to do today, what Chloe's going to do, she's going to show us how we can use some sudden changes in air pressure in order to crush a can of Diet Coke. Okay, so what we're going to use a can of Diet Coke.
Empty.
We've got a frying pan. You could use any can. Okay, so if you've got Fanta, 7-Up, whatever, you know, beer cans from your parents at home. Okay, it could be any can. Okay, these are just so we can handle it once it's warmed up. Okay, so when it gets a bit warm, we need to handle it with the, what do we call these?
Crappy thing.
Salad servers. Okay. This is what we're going to hold our water, our ice water in. So we're going to have some very cold water. We're going to use ice water. And yeah, the frying pan to heat it up. Okay, so we'll just get set up and then we'll get going.
How to make an apple move up the skewer without touching it.
First thing we're going to do is put a little bit of water into the can. When you've done that, you need to turn your stove, hob, wherever you have, onto a high heat and let it just heat. We're using a frying pan because we have an electric hob. We're going to heat it until the water in the can is boiling. So once the water is boiling, we're going to use the tongs to turn over the can into the water. Now that you can hear the water is boiling, I'm going to use the tongs to quickly flip it over into the water. Whoa! 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 The temperature change caused a sudden change in pressure to cause the can to crush. We're going to heat it until the water in the pan. So we're going to heat it until the. What? Sorry. Now that it's boiling, we're going to put. Sorry. That. As you can see, the can has been crushed by the change in temperature. No, I'm sorry, pressure. As you can see, the can has right. As you can see, the can has been crushed by the change in pressure. Whoa! The sudden temperature change has caused the temperature change caused a sudden change in pressure and caused the can to crush. The temperature change has caused a sudden temperature change has caused a sudden...
The temperature change caused a sudden change in pressure.
The temperature change has... No, I'm practicing. The temperature change caused a sudden change in pressure and the can crashed.
There you go.
Okay, right. Blah! The temperature change caused a sudden change in temperature. The change in pressure has some. The temperature change. The temperature change caused a sudden change in pressure, and that caused the car to crash.
Right.
And the can.